It's been a very long time since I have uploaded a video, and over here, as I'm moving towards AI based videos, today I'm going to show you how you can go ahead with implementing some startup which you have imagined, or if you want to go ahead with any startup which you may try out just by using AI, that is ChatGPT. Over here you can implement any kind of MVP, that is minimum viable product, only by using ChatGPT. The only thing you need to do is you need to understand the basics of what you actually need for the application. However, ChatGPT is even going to do that, but you need to basically understand how better you can write prompts to get whatever you need. However, over here we are going to check out with an application. I'm not going to say I'm going to do each and everything over here, but I'm going to say how you can go ahead with a startup. Suppose say as so over here, as it has already given few of the ideas, you can check out 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Obviously it is going to give 10, so you can choose one of them and go ahead with that. Suppose for example, if I say it as I need to make, so as per we need, it has given an application idea and it has already said how we are going to go ahead with that particular idea so that we can make what we need. Over here you can check out with a list to go ahead with making $1 million in a year. So the next thing, it has already given app name. There is no need for you to go ahead with brand name. You can just get it from here itself. You can ask for any brand name if you want. So suppose for example, if I choose this, if I go ahead with the give better app name, it is going to give a list of app names as per app, and it is also going to explain how this app name is going to be effective in this particular field. After choosing an app name, let's go ahead with tech stack. As we are a software development company and we develop applications in backend full stack, that is MongoDB, Express.js, React.js and Node.js, that is going to be a full stack application, and that is obviously going to be for web applications. As we are checking out with mobile apps, we are going to go ahead with Flutter, which is already popular. So when coming to mobile apps, most of them may ask like why do we need web application when we can do everything in mobile app? Whenever you are going to go ahead with any mobile app, you need an admin panel to control it, to get the reports, to get how your users are behaving. So tech stack over here is going to be, so I have given only the information about what the tech stack is going to be. However, if you want, you can ask ChatGPT itself about what tech stack is going to be better. Based on that, you can go ahead with implementing that application. So it has given more information about what you are going to get and everything which is going to be essential. However, over here I'm going to ask like, I have asked for user experience. However, I did not explain how it need to be graphically. So over here you can find like it has given each and every information about how your application need to be in each of the screens. So based on that, you can go ahead with whatever the screens you want. You can use Figma or Lunacy if you want, but over here I am assuming you as a newbie, I am going to go ahead with showing you how you can implement each and everything just using ChatGPT. So as it has given better view, you can find like how your UI is going to be. So based on that, you can actually create images or anything where you can just give images to go ahead with implementing Flutter application. And related to web application for admin, if you want to go ahead with, you can check out with a few of the websites where you can get theme and then you can input the theme over here and get the results, that is API integrations on that. However, over here I would like to say that as we are going to use MongoDB for database, if I say this to go ahead with the MongoDB collection, you just need to actually copy this collection name and go ahead with this input. It is going to generate the whole application's database. So we got like 8 collections over here. And next is, so let's go, let's check out what we get. So it has given the whole structure for this application, or we can say it as, just a moment. So over here I'm just going ahead with admin, but we can go ahead with the user also, and user, so that it is going to be much easier. So it has gone ahead with each and every file information, as you can find over here, and all these things are like what you need to copy paste in each and every file. So you can go ahead with that, and when we come back to this, you can check out with the remaining information. So over here it's going to be like, I have already tested, I'm making few other applications just by using ChatGPT, where we are just building our own products, obviously mobile apps. And over here I'm using ChatGPT for the full backend and also for database. So we will be able to implement each and everything over here itself by using ChatGPT, and we can go ahead with implementation. As soon as we implement that, we can go ahead with Flutter application also. It has given structure of how the application is going to be, and here is a code which it is generating based on our requirement. And finally it has given how you can start this application just by using this command. So over here you can get each and everything just by ChatGPT, and you can build an MVP, you can test it out, and finally whenever it starts working, you can move ahead with much better features. Let's go ahead with, so we asked for testing APIs which were created using Node.js on top, and we can go ahead with the remaining task to check out whether it's actually working or not. If it does work, we need to go ahead with Flutter backend. So as you can find, this is the request, and this is the body, and this is the output, and here is the request, body, output we are going to get, and here is the request, third API, fourth, fifth, sixth. So these are the things which we need to test out with. If we are not getting, we need to make changes again. You just need to, for example, if this doesn't work, you just need to select this and ask ChatGPT about the issue, and then you can go ahead with the updates which it gives. And over here, when coming to Flutter app, so this is the input which I have already given. Based on that, it is going to give whatever the results we need. So it started with the directory structure, and then it is proceeding with each and every screen based API integration. It's obviously included with API integration. However, Flutter is going to be a mix of HTML and the remaining Dart programming. So this way you are going to create your first MVP app just by using ChatGPT 4.0. However, to get the access, you can need to go ahead with a subscription. And obviously, I would like to say, I hope you are going to succeed in whatever the startup you start with, and just by using ChatGPT AI model. Here is the thing, guys, we can do anything which we want. Either it can be biggest application or smallest application. The only thing you need to understand is what technologies you are going to implement with. That is one. Second is your choice based on your business ideas and your startup ideas. You can go ahead with giving prompts based on the requirement. Third thing is you can ask for logos also. You can ask for UI UX design for mobile app or web application, and it is going to queue perfectly. Fourth thing is you can go ahead with navigation. That is going to be much important for users. For admins, it is going to be simple because admins are the only ones who are going to test it out and monitor it or manage the whole application. So you just need the very basic information or the framework to implement any kind of MVP application, and you are going to go ahead with publishing on App Store and Play Store. So there are so many advantages with this ChatGPT AI model, but there are so many other AI models which we can explore with, and we are going to check out with whether that particular AI model is going to work for us or not. And if it does work, in what situation, in what way. Is ChatGPT much better, or is there any other application or AI model which is much better? So I'm going to check out with each and everything and give you a final output and show you how you can go ahead with that. And I would like to say that I have a legal and compliance tech company where we register companies in India and globally, and another company is software development. If you have any issues, or if you want the redevelopment, or if you want to go ahead with API integrations on mobile app, then obviously you can reach out to me, and I'm going to go ahead with your application, whatever it may be. Keep watching. So this for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Please smash the like button if you like this video, and please go down below and click on red subscribe button to support my channel. See you next video. Have a nice day, and be different, do different, be unique, and be unkickable.